Making the switch from QuickBooks POS to Shopify POS. If you operate a store and use QuickBooks Point of Sale, you might be considering switching to Shopify POS. After all, Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce systems on the market, and its point of sale system is elegant and simple to use. But before you take the plunge, there are a few things you should know. Here's a brief rundown of the primary differences between QuickBooks POS and Shopify POS. Let's have a look at the price structure. The price structure is one of the most significant distinctions between QuickBooks POS and Shopify POS. QuickBooks Point of Sale charges a high fee in the hundreds of dollars for each register you own. Shopify charges a single monthly cost that includes an unlimited number of users and registrations. That is a game changer. So, if you want to save money without sacrificing functionality, Shopify is the way to go. Click the link below to have all of your questions addressed. We'll now go through payment processing costs. Another significant distinction is how payment processing costs are handled. QuickBooks charges a variable fee for each credit card transaction, depending on how the processor decides to classify the card. Shopify, on the other hand, provides a simple payment processing system that is the same every time and charges a single flat price. This might make a major impact if you're selling a lot of items or services and need to keep track of everything. Next, we'll compare ease of use. Both QuickBooks POS and Shopify POS are simple to use. However, some consumers found Shopify to be slightly easier to use than QuickBooks software. This might be because Shopify has a more simplified checkout process and somewhat more intuitive overall navigation. Also, most users use Shopify POS on an iPad, which works well. You don't have to worry about if your computer needs an update or if something is wrong with it. iPads do not catch viruses and are always prepared. There are a few things to consider before switching from QuickBooks POS to Shopify POS, specifically the price structure, payment processing costs, and convenience of use. Overall, converting from QuickBooks to Shopify is a rather simple procedure. So if you're ready for a shift, go for it. Set up a free demonstration call by clicking the link below.